哇，小到烂烂，超好吃。Not cheap. Free food. 7块6毛，太好吃了。Sunny. Yeah. Let's go. Hey guys, so I am on my way to Singapore. It's gonna be my very first time, so I'm like super pumped and excited. I heard the food's really good. I feel like I always stay in Bangkok whenever I have spare time, so I haven't had enough time to explore like other parts of Southeast Asia. But we're gonna be in Singapore for like 3 days this time, so hopefully it's gonna be fun. Let's go. There's so many people. 谢谢. You swipe up. Whoa. Oh, look at this. I feel like there's a lot of people buying the Chinese electric cars these days, no?
Yes.
I thought like the airport would be really far usually, but then the Singapore ones were actually really close. Because I saw on Google a lot of the places that seem far, it was like 10-minute drive.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do a room tour. The view is amazing. So we've got the balcony, little snack and drinks bar. Oh, they got ramen. This is like a bonus. And then on the left side, we've got this little sofa, table, really big king-size bed. And then moving on, we got this big TV, little mini cocktail bar. Okay, the closet is actually quite big. Slippers, bathroom, really spacious. Really nice bathtub, double sink, which is a must for me. Really big shower. Yay! Alrighty, so our very first meal in Singapore, we're gonna go grab dinner at this place called Zhupzhup. So they have signature prawn noodles and lobster pao fan. Right here. 虾面是最火的. And there's a 龙虾泡饭, tasting platters, there's snacks. Prawn noodle, you can like choose the preparation type of noodles. Whoa! So we got the lobster pao fan, the prawn noodles. Try the soup base first. Wow, 太鲜了，太鲜了，汤太浓了，好好吃。它有点像东南亚结合，像那种福建的沙茶面那种感觉。我觉得我应该会很喜欢新加坡的美食。Singapore has that blend of like Chinese food with a little bit of like Southeast Asian taste. So to me, it's just right. We also got a platter, a lot of fish cakes. 好吃。哇，我要一碗泡饭，好大的。好好吃啊。Like just the soup is very rich and it has that like prawn umami. I think I'll give this place a 10/10. A great start to our Singapore trip. So far we find Singapore actually really interesting because it's like people mostly speak English with like Chinese, so it's like Singlish plus Chinese. I think from like infrastructure and the style of the city, I see like American culture with like the stop signs and everything, and then combined with Southeast Asian uniqueness. And then from a language perspective, I feel super at home because people here just speak Chinglish all the time, which is what I usually do growing up. Hey guys, so it's the official first day in Singapore. We're gonna start out with something a little bit more touristy since it's my first time in SG. So we're gonna go to the Maxwell Hawker Center for some apparently really bomb food. Let's go. Oh, it's right there. We're here. So my friends told me like this Tian spot is best to come like 10 to 11 when they just open because during noontime there's a lot of buildings around this area with offices and they come to eat here. Like there's already a line but it's moving relatively fast so it's fine. So I think we're gonna get the most popular ones, medium size with the steamed chicken. Okay, let's try this viral Hainanese chicken. Maybe I want to put a little bit of the chili sauce. Oh, it's spicy though. Right? It doesn't look that good, but it's actually pretty good. Like the chicken is super moist. And the rice is also very plump. Lunchtime, so it's like getting super busy. Wow! I'm gonna get some juice. 谢谢，谢谢。哎，可以。So let's try this. So the owner said it's like a 3-generation fruit shop, been open for like 50 years.
哇，好好喝，老板。
I wasn't expecting it to be this good. I got the ABC, so it's like apple, beet, and carrot. Just the right amount of sweetness. Dude, it's so good. So we got the signature fishball noodle, and it comes with the soup. Looks so good.
啊，我噎到了。
The noodles are like super chewy and bouncy. So I tried their fish balls.
超级 Q 弹，太好吃了。
Got the almond 豆花. Very smooth and silky. So it's getting really hot right now. We're gonna do some indoor activities instead. We're like super full. We're gonna go to Design Orchard. It has apparently a lot of like local Singaporean designs. It looks pretty fun, so let's go check it out. It's like a little cup, but it's candles. Oh, it's the Milo collab. So cute. Okay, so we're back in the hotel. We had like a major food coma and we did some shopping. We're now gonna go attend the Singapore Michelin ceremony for 2025. Apparently there's like a lot of really good food. They flew in different Michelin chefs from all around the world. So we're gonna go have some free food. And I finally have an occasion to use my mini cami. It's like hella hot and sunny in Singapore.
This is looking really sad. So
Yeah. I mean,
No, I love naan though. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It was just the appetizer and it's already really good. Honestly, I'm just here for free food.
Thank you for being here for the 9th edition of the Michelin Guide Ceremony Singapore. Let's give them a big round of applause. The winner of the Young Chef Award goes to Mr. Kazuki Arimoto from Omakase Stevens. Oh. Congratulations once again. This is an award. The team at Omakase Stevens will also be receiving 1 Michelin star. Congratulations! The moments you will never ever forget. All right, big smiles, everyone. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, thank you. Wow. So guys, this is like so good. Some sort of pandan with coconut and red bean. Can't stop eating.
Try this. It's a beef tartare, caviar. I need to go to more of these events, man. Like the food is insane.
Alrighty, so I am back in the hotel. Before I go out to meet a few friends at the bar, I'm gonna do a bit of shopping in Marina Bay Sands because I love shopping. Oh, this is more matte. Not cheap. Woo, they got me snacks. It's like Singaporean snacks.
Yeah.
this is chili crab.
Oh!
This.
Oh my god!
get the gin melon smash. Oh! This is like the Bottega fam. This is the Jody and this is the Parachute. My Bottega ex-colleagues. Yay! Reunited!
Good morning, guys. So we're gonna start off not with food today, but with the National Gallery Singapore. I want to check out the gallery here. I know there's like a lot of food in Singapore, but I also wanted to take a look at kind of like the arts and the museum kind of scene. It looked really pretty in pictures, so let's go check it out. Doesn't this look like SoCal? Oh, Asian artists in Paris. Look, it's cats. Lunch at another Hainanese chicken spot I wanted to try in Tiong Bahru market. We're here. Let's go.
Wow, so I got the steamed chicken rice with braised egg and then lemon chicken rice. Actually, it's pretty cool. It looks like it's fried with like some sauce on top. The dark soy sauce. I feel like the chicken, it's also moist, but it's a little bit more bouncy than the Tian Tian one. So personally, for like chicken preference, I would like this one more. For the rice, I feel like Tian Tian is better because Tian Tian, the rice is more moist and plump. Wow, 这太好吃了. This is a lemon chicken, fried chicken. 好吃，它炸过的，所以它更香一些. Dude, there's like so much good food in this market. Oh, 嚼到辣辣的。哦，这样。This is actually surprisingly good because you squeeze the shit out of the lemons. It's like a super strong lemon flavor. I was like full from the chicken, but after this iced lemon tea, I'm like kind of hungry again. So let's try something else. Self-service, you can pick your snacks. 这个是鸡蛋，黄色的。So apparently to save seats in Singapore, you just put like a pack of tissues there to save seats. That's what I'm doing.
小姐，您的全部7块6毛。
Whoa, so we got the tofu, my favorite fish cake. I think it's like some kind of egg thing the lady in front of me recommended. Let's try this. And then it came with like some sort of spicy sauce. Wow. 这个眼镜是为了防止那个油吗？
对呀，要不然没你看不到了。
Well, let's try this one. 尝一下，尝一下，蚝煎呐，蚝煎。Ooh, 好吃啊 The oyster is very fresh, and then the egg part is very chewy. 哎，要封，封啊，封起来啦！谢谢老板娘。
Got another one.
最好喝的柠檬茶。Let's go.
We're gonna go to New Bahru, which is apparently a very new space in Singapore. So it used to be a middle school, and then now it's more like a hip new area with a lot of cafes and shops, which is right up my alley. Oh, it's so cute.
There's all the stores upstairs.
I've never seen this pump before. So we got the apple pie, full-on signature chocolate cake with ice cream.
Probably like one of the best chocolate cakes I've had. 超级 creamy, but it's also not too sweet. It's like a super rich chocolate cake. 这个有被惊艳到，没想到。
Thank you. Oh, there it is. Thank you so much.
All right, no worries.
We're here. La la la.
Tomatoes like very prevalent. Pairs perfectly well with the crab. It's like super refreshing.
The flavors, the texture, everything is like 12 out of 10. Unagi? Smoky taste to it. It's not too sweet. Chocolate. Good morning, guys. It's our last day in Singapore and we're now going to the old airport food center. Apparently it recently renovated and reopened. It's like more of a local hawker center. So we're gonna have more food before we head to the airport. So let's go. This is must try. It's Michelin. Wow. Okay, so we got the fried kway teow and then we got soy desserts. Let's have a first bite of this.
I thought it would be the same as like ganchao niu, but it's different. It's a little softer and it's like has a hint of sweetness and there's a lot of like guac hay. I mean, this shop also, I saw a lot of bad reviews as well, but it's definitely worth it. This is a 10/10.
Is it kind of gross though with boba?
And now let's try the douhua.
It's very, very soft.
尝一口豆浆。好喝。
Okay, I'm kind of full, but we're here for the food tour, so I think I'm gonna like squeeze in one more meal. Apparently this congee place is really good, and I'm feeling like chicken congee, so let's try it out.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this. It looks hella good. Wow, 这个粥超级好喝. Some people might say it's just congee, but there is a difference between normal congee and like hella good congee. So the consistency again is very thick, and then the taste, they add a little bit of white pepper to it. It's like a little kick of spice to it. 超浓郁的那个粥，美味. So after the past 3 days, I would conclude that I definitely love the food in Singapore. But overall, everything's amazing.
Medium French fries. We're gonna get this. It's like some kind of black sticky rice pie. I got a chili crab chicken burger to try. Look, why do the kids always get the cutest stuff? Alrighty, we got the special Singaporean chili crab sauce chicken burger. Cool looking black sticky rice pie. Looks like it's egg with some chili crab sauce and fried chicken.
It just tastes like crunchy McChicken with some seafood sauce, with a little bit of spice and some egg. The texture is actually very rich. 比想象中好吃很多. It actually looks really good. 就是那种 紫糯米的感觉。It has like a very creamy texture. 我觉得这是目前麦当劳我吃过最好吃的派。I definitely go on a diet after this trip. Like I've been eating like 3 to 4 meals a day, nonstop, like carb loading.